Hi there, this is Mr. Thomas again, and welcome to Module 4 of our class. We are about to embark on another argument, and this is a more classic argument. We are going to look at a very contemporary piece of news. We're going to look at Defund the Police, and you're going to read some articles and watch a few videos that give you some background about what defund the police means, because that's a really good question. What does it mean? Then you're going to read some articles and see a few videos that are for defunding the police, and you're going to read a few articles and see a video or two on do not defund the police. And you might learn that defund the police doesn't necessarily mean get rid of all funding for police. It means a lot of other things, and there are some people who think it's a great idea and some people who say it's a bad idea, and some people who are kind of like in the middle who say, well, there needs to be some change and this is how we think you should do it. And you're also going to learn not only how to write a classic argument using the same principles that we've done before, like thesis statement, topic sentences, quote sandwich, and pie, but you're also going to learn how to use counter-argument and refutation, and you're going to be required to use a counter-argument and a refutation in this essay. And so I hope you'll find it as interesting as I do, at least listening to the news, because it's constantly evolving, and I hope that you will find it interesting, engaging, and maybe even thought-provoking. So you're going to be writing an argument using both pro and con sides at one point. When you are determining what the opposition's viewpoint is, you're going to have to refute or perform a counter-argument. And your argument will follow a very classic outline and format, which I'll give you. So I hope that you enjoy it and look forward to seeing more of you here on Canvas. Bye-bye. Oh, this shirt? I got this shirt in Rapa Nui in Easter Island, and you can even see right here there's the Easter Island heads. It was handmade in Rapa Nui, the capital of Easter Island, and it's the only place where people live on Easter Island. So take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.